It is dyno day, so this is the day we've all been waiting for, and let's hope that everything goes well. Alright, she's on the dyno. That shot is so darn wide that with the front cinched up, front tires are barely on the rails. Okay, looks like he's got it all hooked up and ready to go. There's Steve's car on the screen. We're in Tucson with what's becoming one of the #1 known tuners of all time in the Phoenix metro area.
Only to you.
Steve Cole.
Only to you.
Steve will be tuning the ride today, and we'll see how he does. not near as bad, but yeah. Still fire out the left side here. I can show it to you.
I mean, the power curve looks pretty clean. This thing's almost making 700 foot-pounds.
Here, this is what you're looking. Well, as you can see, the tune's not going so great, and we should not be having flame coming out that left-hand pipe. So we have some sort of an ignition failure at this point in time. Now, I should have realized this, but last season when we were ripping olds under a load, or any hill for that matter, boom, boom, and Tracy's like, what's that? I'm like, oh, we just hit the rev limiter. Well, guess what? We didn't hit the rev limiter. We had an ignition problem the whole time, and now we're finding it on the dyno. So, after consulting with Steve, he's like, hey, let's go ahead and try the cheapest thing first. Let's replace the plugs. So, we replaced the plugs. Let's check out the results. As you can see, results not so good. So the next thing on the list that's cost effective to do, replace the plug wires. So we replace a full set of plug wires and we run it again, and here's what happened. Oh no, still having the same problem. So next, it's possibly coil packs. So what we did is we replaced the left bank with the right bank to see if the problem followed to the other side of the engine, and it did. So that told me I had a coil pack that was bad, so I went ahead and replaced all 4 coil packs on that one side. Problem solved. So if you're ever wrenching on a hot engine, be careful that you don't burn yourself like I did. So rookie maneuver there. Anyway, this fixed the problem. If it didn't, then I would probably replace the coil pack harness. We didn't have to go that far. So let's take a look, check out that final dyno run, and see what the numbers came out. You smoked the tires on that one.
This motherfucker just
right here.
772.
What?
I don't know how. I need to run that again because it says it put down 772.
Glad I found it.
Oh, cool.
If this power is true, that's unbelievable power. I'm going to run it again to get it back there. But, I mean, 772, 773 torque. And the curve is beautiful. The coil's fixed. I mean, that's incredible power.